Yo, good morning, good morning. What up? It's grind time. So quick updates on everything from last night to now. We'll give about another minute or so and then we'll get started. So a few new pairs that I'm looking at for movements this week. I'm gonna look at Euro GBP, I'm gonna look at CAD JPY. That's it as far as like new from last night. So and then we're gonna go over these updates. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get started and knock this out. Won't be too long today. If y'all are new to the streams, make sure y'all are following us on TradingView. That way y'all don't miss out on any future streams or any chart ideas that I do post out for y'all to make some money on. If you scroll down on your screen, you'll see the link to our website where you can find more information on our mentoring program or our signals program. You also have our free Telegram link down below to our community chat rooms, completely free. Join up in 8 more members. I'm going to be giving away some free Bitcoin to someone in the chat room, so that's an option for y'all as well. Our email is down below. The broker that I use is down below, as well as our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. All of that information is down below on your screen. Cool. So from last night, we were looking at literally USD CHF, and then towards the end of the stream, I started to kind of key in a little bit more on a potential drop in this range for this forming a B area. So literally, y'all, I missed it. But exactly what we were looking for, that push back up into this area to take the high and then literally drop. I missed that, and I would have only taken the drop back down to the order block, which would have been at least about 30 plus pips. So nice one on that. If y'all did catch that, cheers. Right now it is potentially pushing back up. So remember the other option that we had, and this is potentially forming right now. So how I was saying we could be looking for that ABC to form. So at first we had this potentially being the A, and then the B, and then the C here, and then we're looking for that move towards the upside. Let me clear this up because there's so much going on here. Literally so much going on. So we had one way from this way, so A, B, C. So if we were going to continue down, right, or we would have went A, B, C this way. So one of these two options was the options that we had last night. Seeing that we are reacting now in the potential B area, which would be this order block zone, we might end up going for this. So with that, let me show y'all this. Now, remember we were looking for the dollar to respect this area, but it didn't. So it actually broke above, and more than likely it's going to head and continue up, which that should lead USD CHF towards the upside. So I'm actually about to take a buy on USD CHF right now while we're on this stream. So I'll give y'all the information. Give me 1 second. Into this trade. Wish I would have saw this yesterday, but I was not paying attention. What we're gonna look for, we're gonna have to just kind of grab this one the best we can. We'll have around, it should not come back to this low. We'll have around that, and we'll be looking for something like that. So almost a little bit over a 1-to-1 because we're a little late to the party. But this should be a impulsive move as well. Give me 1 second. The damn chart takes off on me. Okay. And we are now forming a double bottom on the 1 hour as well. So just kind of a bigger perspective to potentially lead us up. One sec, y'all. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm almost done. Then we're gonna look at Euro USD because that bad boy is moving. All right, one sec. If y'all do have any questions or any charts that y'all want me to look at, you can drop that in the chat. I'll check those out for y'all here shortly. Boy, this thing better slow its ass down. I'm literally trying to push this out to y'all right now. So hopefully if y'all are on the team, hopefully y'all are watching the stream right now so y'all can grab it and get in. As I push this out for y'all. She is a moving. All right, we'll be done. All right, cool, we good. Okay, so USD CHF, we taking this up. Take profit one is going to be around this range. Cool. All right, so that's USD CHF. What else are we keying in on? What just happened? This is USD. So last night we were looking for two options on this one. So it was either going to fall just exactly from where it was, I told y'all, or it was going to retrace up out of this range and then move up. So last night we did pop down. I think we were around here when I showed this to y'all. We did pop down a little bit, got close to the zone, and then gave a little reaction. So even if y'all took temporary scalps, y'all could have made at least 20 plus pips, 20, almost 30 pips on the push up, but mainly focusing on that sell. So it literally ended up just dropping straight down instead of pulling back up and then dropping. So I expect this to continue down. First stop would be a double bottom. So remember how I was saying if it is going to respect this low, we need to get some type of reversal pattern. It hasn't shown any, so I don't think that it's done. So if we are to go up long term, it would need to show that pattern within this range. If not, then it would break and lead for another new low. Until then, we'll find out if that new low is going to be that final low. So Euro USD as of now looking good, going in the direction that it needs to go in. We'll continue to just kind of follow this one on the side here. Okay, so DXY update, we broke above this high. I just expect this to continue up. So it's two options. Either we respect this high drop. We did get a reaction at the high, but not what we were looking for. This is that reaction where you saw your USD push up for about 30 pips. And then we actually continued toward the upside and broke. So we should break this high and lead up further on price. First stop is 107, like I previously mentioned to you guys. So we'll be looking for that continuation up on price. USD CAD has hit the final area. We will be looking for a potential reaction in this range because the dollar is kind of impulsing right now and should lead to a new high. This does kind of give me the feeling that USD CAD is probably going to break this area and head towards the top of the trend line potentially. So just be very cautious. I'm not going to be taking the sale just right now. So if you don't know what you're doing, please wait for me to let y'all know when I'm going to be entering this trade as far as for y'all on the premium side. So new things that I'm going to be looking at. I will be briefing y'all on Euro GBP. We have a potential reaction here. If we do get a reaction here, then we could see price action drop down into this range before expecting a maybe pull back and then another continuation. So we might end up breaking into a one through five fave. So this one end up being 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was a horrible extension there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, something like that. So we could end up breaking down into that, or we would end up breaking into A, B, C. So one of these options are potentially on the table. Watch for Euro GBP. Stop loss is going to be at the high. So if it is to respect, it needs to do that. So not too bad of a trade there, Euro GBP for further downside. And then we have CAD JPY. So CAD JPY, I'm going to be looking for a reaction towards the upside. What's up, Casey? Good morning. Good morning. I appreciate all of y'all for tuning in, man. All of y'all for liking the streams and everything. Appreciate that. If y'all are new to the stream, make sure you follow our free Telegram chat room community. The link is down below. I'll be giving y'all some Bitcoin away and another 8 members who joins the chat room. So it's completely free. Link down below. This is pretty much where I post some of these updates as well on these charts. So it's just kind of keeping the community active, helping y'all make some profit, things like that. So trying to keep a good, solid community of profitable traders. So what I was seeing on CAD JPY was a reaction below this level. So kind of structurally, we might end up making a top here. And so we might just do something like this to mitigate, right? So to take liquidity, mitigate, and then pop up. So the sale, I would prefer for it to be here. And then I would look for a movement towards the downside. And this would be my next target level. So this is something structurally that I'm watching on CAD JPY. I think the structure is ready to have a reaction and a movement towards the downside. So watch out for CAD JPY. I literally think this is exactly what's going to happen. It's going to break, ping pong off this level, shoot up, hit this range. If it doesn't want to hit this range, it will hit somewhere around this range from the bounce up here, and then down. So something that I'll be watching on CAD JPY. That's all I have for y'all this morning, man. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Again, we are active on USD Let's get this money. Starting off our week on a good note. Your USD is pushing down. So if y'all are able to catch that sale from yesterday, cheers to that. USD CAD has finished up. I don't know if some of y'all got some scalps or not, but we were looking for 36,100 to be achieved. It has fully been achieved, so potentially some of y'all maybe grab some scalps towards the upside. Nice one. And then your GBP downside, CAD JPY, we have potential structure forming here soon, so I'll be watching that. So appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have a great rest of y'all's day, and I will see you all later on the next stream. Peace.